The buyers said they didn't see any issues with this house. Let's take a look, shall we? That's not good. A few openings in the garage drywall. Garage door weather stripping looks a little chewed up. HRV filter is a little bit dirty. Alright, you gotta check this one out, everybody. This is a sump pump, but look at it, it's a garbage can. Look at that, they used a garbage can for the crock. Alright, well, whatever works, I guess. Laundry tub is draining a little slow. A little bit of mold. That's leaking. That's not good. We got some loose plumbing. And another leak. Well, we got some debris in the floor drain. I would say that's a little bit damaged. That's a little loose. That's also loose. We got a foundation crack, and we got some moisture staining. That ain't good. Dirty exhaust fan, and a missing vent cover. Well, it looks like we got some old windows. Might be time for an upgrade. Not a lot of working space around this furnace. Looks like the filter hasn't been changed in a while. And we got some rust on the interior. Looks like we have an unsafe open knockout on the panel, and the panel is missing a couple screws. That's a little loose. Looks like we need a duct cleaning. And looks like we have a damaged cover. And another damaged cover. And a little loose. And we got some deteriorated sealants. That's not right. That's definitely not right. A little bit loose. Where did the smoke detector go? And we got another damaged receptacle cover. And the floor's got gaps between quite a few of the panels. That looks like a leak, or at least it was a leak. Good thing is, the moisture meter is saying it's dry. Looks like we have a fogged window. And another fogged window. Make that 3 fog windows. Good old mold in the attic space. Headed outside and I found some mortar cracks. Looks like I won't be testing that air conditioner. Looks pretty old anyways. And more mortar cracks. I would say this vent cover is a little bit loose. And a hole in the wall. And we got a foundation crack. And another foundation crack. That looks a little frozen. And even more cracks. And a damaged receptacle. That one looks a little clogged. And yet another crack. Here in Canada, it's a good idea to insulate those sump pump discharge pipes.